stories and food go together. My story is the food of Calcutta. 30 years ago, when I left India to London, I have been stripped of my roots. When you see a tree that falls, all the roots are bare. That's what happened to me. I knew food is my way home. Let me cook. This was the change. I was dancing awake. I was so happy. Inside me now, there was this fire to create magic out of ingredients. This is very unique to Indian food. We flavor at different levels. Look at this! Ah! It's like rice pudding on steroids. Be patient, be patient. The patience you taste in the food immediately. I needed to leave to know that this is my DNA. Calcutta food was my kismat. In Calcutta, there's a rhythm. There's a beat. You watch it and you hear it. It's the way their hands move, silently, without drama, everything precise. This is the culinary legacy of my ancestors. Come and take a journey with me through the food of Calcutta. This is my food, this is my story, this is my class on YesChef.